Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make pesche ripiene or stuffed peaches with an amaretti filling. Butter a baking pan and cut the peaches in half. Take the pits off. Arrange peaches face up. Scoop out some of the flesh. Add the marsala to the amaretti and crush them with your hand. Cream the butter and add the sugar. Mix everything together until soft. Add the egg yolk and continue mix it until combined. Add the almond flour and mix again until combined. Finally, mix in the amaretti crumbs. When everything is incorporated, scoop out the filling into the peaches. Add a couple of tablespoons of marsala on top of the peaches. Bake at 375 for 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.